wear your shoes, Vic. You wear your shoes.
What's wrong with the dragon? Yeah, and then? What happened to the dragon? Did Rebel and Alex save them?
What do you want?
Backpack. Backpack, back.
Yeah. Give it to Mama Cow, please.
You wanna wear it? Huli ko lang baby.
Baby, give me your hand, Vic. Faster. The other hand. Here you go.
Show off.
Where's your book?
The book, Bob. There, you get your book. Yeah, animal book. You get it? Let's read book. Okay. Bye. Bye.